Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox JBL Reflect Flow. It is a JBL's newest headphone. It's around £130. I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested in. So let's look at the features. These are mainly made for sports. It is coming with a built-in microphone, and you have a 30 hours of battery, quick charging, 10 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of use, 10 hours of charge on the headphones, 20 hours of charge in the case, and they are waterproof, IP7, so you can use it for sports, but you cannot take them to shower. Sports, you're sweating, is perfectly fine. So there is 3 more ear tips. So what is coming in the box? You have the headphone, you have a small, large and medium ear tips, you have the case and a few manual. On the new ones you have a different type of boxing. You get a manual how to use them. So you get the ear tips. I did drop them out. So you have the sports ear tips, and you have the normal silicone ear tips. It is a micro USB charger, USB-A to micro USB. Phone wise, they are slightly heavier than the normal headphones. You get a normal ear tips and a sports one together. So that is going to be your case. The case, you come with a micro USB intake, and the box is slightly heavy, and they are more rugged film, so you're not going to break them. The red light displaying on there saying it is charging. So first thing, we're going to try the audio. So just listen to a few songs, then after we're going to watch your videos to see any lag. Cord the side together, they are ready to pair. So when the blue light's on there, both of them are paired. So it's quite loud. The audio is definitely much louder. That is on the full volume. With the low volume, quite loud. At the same time, it's have the same audio. So there is no audio change. If the volume goes up, down, the audio quality itself is remain the same. Single press, you have song pause, and the next page is plays. So we're gonna try if which ones have the driver. So that's gonna be this. So that is right. The right one had the driver, so the minute I put them on, it's automatically stop playing and is going into charging modes. Now it's playing on the headphones. So that is going to be the left, so we're going to use that. So when the left is on charge, it's seamlessly connecting back to the one headphone. The right have the drivers, so if your right headphone is out of charge, you cannot use the headphones. Sync, so there is no delays. So audio is very loud. Now we're going to test a bass. So let's try this bass. It's a lot of different frequency, so you can see if it's loud, how the bass is, if the lowest and the highest by. So first of all, you have a few things to look into. So first, it is not a small headphone. It's just slightly bigger on the sides, and you do have, and the charge is going to be slightly bigger than the normal cases. As the audio quality, so first we're going to look at the quality of the audio. The audio wise is a really good bass. There is no lag or no delays on the audio while you're watching movies or even watching videos or listening to a song. There is no delays, and when you try the bass with lowest frequency to highest frequency, it still performs best. So when the highest frequency on the bass, is sound much better than the lowest frequency. If you want a really good bass headphone, JBL Reflect Flow will be your best option to go for. First of all, they are waterproof, so if you are looking for a headphone with waterproof, please grab one of these rather than the other models. They are sweat resistant, even though it doesn't say on the official websites, but all the new in-ear headphones are built to be water resistant. So if you guys are looking for really good headphones with waterproof or good audio, definitely going for the JBL Reflect. So we had the very basic model, which is the JBL Tune 120. We're going to compare both of them to see which one is to buy if you are considering buying wireless headphones. So both of the headphones do offer fast charging. This will have a 10 minutes of charge you can use for 1 hour. The Tune 120, you have 15 minutes of charge, you can use it for 1 hour. You can use them for sports, and they are cheaper than the Reflect Flow. When you look at the headphones wise, so there is the material they are made in is much different. So the Reflect Flow have a much more metal aluminum finish, where on the Tune 120 is have a plastic finish to it. Tune is going to be slightly thicker, a bit more smaller on the 120 as well. So when you come to the audio, I am using the Tune 20 at the moment, so I can tell you from experience the Reflect Flow sound much better than the 120. Nothing wrong with the 120, but the Tune have much more deeper bass. Also, if you compare the 120 with any other smaller, cheaper Chair 4 headphones, wireless headphones, the 120 have much better quality, audio quality, as well as a phone call. So you have a good microphones and a better audio quality on the 120 than any other headphone in that price range. Reflect, you are paying slightly more, but you are getting more out of the headphones, where on the bass and waterproof, and you're getting a longer battery. So if you guys are interested in buying one of these, I'll leave the link below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.